If your rice turns sticky, mushy, or clumpy, you're likely making one of these common mistakes. Let's fix it properly. Mistake number 1, not rinsing properly. Rice has surface starch. When I rinse rice, I always do it until the water runs mostly clear. That's what prevents the grains from sticking together. Mistake number 2, the wrong water ratio. For long grain white rice, the rule I follow is simple. 1 cup of rice to 1.5 cups of water. I'm cooking 2 cups here, so I'm using 3 cups of water. Using the same cup for both keeps the ratio correct. Too much water makes it mushy. Too little leaves it dry. Mistake number 3, skipping salt and a little oil. I add about a teaspoon of oil to help the grains stay separate, then a small pinch of salt for flavor. It's optional, but I find it improves the result. Mistake number 4, cooking on high heat. I bring the rice to a gentle boil first, then reduce the heat to low, cover it, and let it cook gently for about 10 to 12 minutes. Rice needs steady steaming, not aggressive heat. Mistake number 5, lifting the lid. I leave the lid closed while it cooks, because every time it's opened, steam escapes, and steam is what cooks the rice evenly. Once the water has been absorbed, I turn off the heat and let it rest, covered for 5 to 10 minutes. That resting time makes the grains fluffy. Finally, I fluff the rice gently with a fork. The grains should be light and separate. That's properly cooked rice. Small adjustments make a noticeable difference in everyday cooking. Subscribe to Creative Recipes for practical kitchen tips that genuinely improve results in real kitchens.